Superior Court presiding Judge Alberto Lamorena recused himself from presiding over DFS Guam's lawsuit against the airport and Lotte Duty Free Guam. During a status hearing this afternoon, the judge sought to clarify his relationships, confirming that his brother, Tony Lamorena, is a Calvo administration cabinet member serving as the executive director of the Civil Service Commission.
My sister-in-law, who is the wife of my brother Tony, Lisa Lamorena, is an account executive at DFS Guam. She's the senior budget business analyst and operations and control of Mid-Pacific. She also participated in the presentation of the DFS Guam proposal to the review committee of the Antonio Borja Wampat Airport.
The judge also disclosed that his brother, Alberto Lamorena IV, was the general manager of the DFS Guam airport store from 1990 to 1998 and has since retired. While Lotte and DFS Group have yet to say whether they oppose the judge presiding over the matter, Lamorena made the decision and said despite wishing he could take the case, there is, quote, too much at stake with his relationship with his two brothers and his sister-in-law.
I'm going to withdraw because of my, I cannot say that I could be fair and impartial. No matter what decision this court will make, I will offend somebody in my family, okay? And I don't want them to be offended. And secondly, I feel that I also want them to keep their positions as well in their respective jobs.
The case will now be assigned to another judge. As we reported, DFS Group filed suit against Lotte and the airport, alleging improprieties with the award of the lucrative specialty retail concessionaire contract. DFS Group alleges they have evidence that Lotte altered its proposal after the bids had already been submitted, something that has been vehemently denied by Lotte. DFS has asked the Superior Court to halt the concessionaire contract, which is set to be turned over on the 21st of this month, and order a new request for proposal, but prohibiting Lotte from applying. DFS has alleged that the company attempted to influence airport board members with gift bags during a trip to Korea and had other alleged improper interactions during the procurement. Now, in the latest twist late this afternoon, Lotte fired back with its own allegations of wrongdoing. Lotte's attorney, Roland Mantegnonia, wrote a letter to airport executive manager Charles Atta asking that DFS Guam be debarred or suspended for a period of 2 years from participating in any airport procurement contracts. Lotte claims that airport evaluation team members were provided with an improper gratuity, namely iPads to assist with their evaluation efforts, and those iPads were not collected by DFS following the evaluation. Additionally, Mantegnonia contends that the $10 million offer DFS made to pay the difference of the rent until the protest and lawsuit is resolved is not permitted by Guam law, as it is an unsolicited offer. The company says the offer was an attempt to extend DFS's previous contract beyond the lease period, which has already expired. Lotte also takes issue with DFS's attorney Maurice Saw, claiming he may have acted improperly by practicing law on Guam without first obtaining the necessary approvals. Mantegnonia closes out his letter by asking the airport to also investigate the possible diversion of sales from the DFS airport store to its downtown store, due to the percentage rent DFS is obligated to pay the airport. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.